This video will show how to take the end of chapter quiz using the resources that are built into my IT lab. So on Module 1, after having read Chapter 1, What is a Computer, the assignment is the homework is to do the Chapter 1 end of chapter quiz. So the way to do this is to open two different instances of Blackboard course. So in other words, here's my browser has the Blackboard course opened here, and another instance of my browser has another instance of Blackboard opened here. So on each one, I clicked on my IT Lab course home. So on one instance, it takes me here, and on the other instance, it takes me there. So I'll go to Module 1 in each instance. And in one instance, I'm going to open the quiz, end of chapter quiz. And in the other instance, I'm going to open Chapter 1 resources. And first I'm going to go to the PowerPoint. And I'm going to click on PowerPoint presentation. And you notice it downloads it. So I'll go to my download, open it up because I do have the PowerPoint program on my computer. And so I'm going to put that aside and close this window. And then I'm going to go back to Chapter 1 resources. And I'm going to open the eText. Between these two resources, the eText and the PowerPoint, there's going to be a lot of help in finding the answers to the quiz questions. In addition to the links that we looked at before, we're going to notice that the eText has a glossary, and that glossary is really helpful. So you access the glossary by searching. Oh, let's start from here. First question, the what is a measure of a computer's ability to display artificial intelligence. In the glossary of the eText, I'm going to put measure of, and I see a measure of a computer's ability to display intelligent behavior, exactly what the question is, and it says that is the Turing test. So we could choose that answer and see how that works out. Now, you may not find everything in the glossary, but you may find. So if we do find, that's great. Let's take this next one. Is looking for a second generation computer. So I'm going to type second generation. And I find a transistor is a tiny electric switch used in second generation computers. So here's second generation computers used transistors, let's say. Okay, so that's an example of how to use the eText glossary, okay? Resource is to use the PowerPoint. Let's say you hadn't found an answer. In the PowerPoint, you can search in the presentation. So let's say we're going to search second generation. Maybe it wants the hyphen. Sometimes we have to be careful. Here we go. It wanted the hyphen. Or you could just search second if you wanted to, or generation. But here again, second generation computers, and it says transistors. So those are resources that you can help, that you can use to help find the answers for the quizzes.